Welcome back to my stream. Let me just charge my phone while I'm streaming. Alright, there we go. Today the plan is to continue with physics. I've stopped or at least paused with the boundaries workbook just because I feel like I need more experience before I could continue with that. Just because I haven't been practicing that. Hello, welcome to the stream, you guys. Hello, Isaiah, Gajin, Killer. Good morning to you, Gajin, and good afternoon and good night. Hi, Kasa. You got that for me? Yeah. Thank you.
Where's Anissa?
In her room.
Anissa? Anissa?
So, yeah. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Kai, welcome to the stream. Nice to see you again. I usually I don't get this interrupted, but my dad is here. I think so, yeah.
Oh. She went to sleep already?
Yeah.
How come?
I think she was tired. Maybe a lot of clients.
Okay. আইলেতে কি করি? আইলে সবাই তোমার সাথে
Yeah.
ওর রুমে থাকে না?
No.
ওর রুমে যায় না?
Nope.
যায় না?
Maybe sometimes.
আল্লাহ তুই শিখুরছো? আপুকে শিখুরতে হয়? ও এখানে থাকে?
Yeah. That's his box.
He loves his box?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my God. You key? Because it's winter?
I don't know. Just randomly found this new obsession.
Pixie কি করলি? Pixie? Pixie?
Okay, I'll give it to you. Thank you. Sorry about that, guys. Yeah. Yeah, we ate noodles or something. Yeah. It was like beef rice noodle, yeah.
You made it?
I mean, it was store-bought, but yeah, it's good. Alright, sorry for that sidetrack. And as I was saying, normally I don't get interrupted like that, but it's okay. It's my dad. So, yeah, I don't know if I should start doing art first, like continuing this tote bag, because I kind of like this design. It grew onto me as it was laying here on my desk for the past few days. So even though it's not symmetrical, I think I might just copy this on each side, or start with physics first. So I'm gonna let y'all decide. But let me just catch up with the chat. Yeah, that was my dad. Everyone, don't forget to like this video. Thank you, Kai. Thank you, and welcome to the stream, Rios. How are you? How is everyone doing? Yeah, we got the special orange cat today. He's in the back smelling the air. I don't know what he's up to. Being a little sus over there. Luca? Anyways, Nikki's chilling as always. There's Pixie. We got the whole gang. And welcome to the stream, Ava May. How are you? You're new here. And Abra, welcome to the stream as well. I'm with the dog we have right now. She's sleeping. Nice. What's your dog's name, Isaiah? How are you? I'm great, Abra. Thank you. I hope you're doing good. How are you? Okay. The big three. Yes, they are the big three. Three musketeers. Pixie's so cute. She's like cuddling into her tail right now. No one heard Venezuela. Oh my gosh, I did. Ooh, it's crazy what's going on there. Just because they have the biggest oil reserve, like, I'm surprised USA didn't invade their country sooner. But yeah, maybe you should start with physics because study takes focus. Oh my gosh, you're so right. Let's do that then. So let's put away this tote bag for later. And continue with physics. I just dropped the whole paint. Alright, so I was going to. Oh my gosh, I keep dropping everything. This is so annoying. Oh my gosh, I forgot to watch the crew video, bro. It's like an assignment at this point. I barely opened my laptop. That's why. I only open it to study or during school. I don't know why. Like other people use it more for like their main device, recipes and stuff. At least you could see Pixie from this view if I open my laptop. But the main star of the show, Luca, is covered. No. What do I do, guys? Do you want to see what I'm up to, like what I'm studying? Or do you want to see the cats? Hello, welcome to the stream. It's whatever. How are you? Yeah, Pixie's eyes. So big. Yeah, Pops is back. Trump needs medical attention. Yeah, medical, like, in the head as well. Like, what's wrong with that guy? Mm-hmm. What's her name? Hi, me name is Pedro. Oh, welcome to the stream, Pedro. Whenever I say Pedro, I get that accent in my voice. Honestly, same. Like, when I was reading it, it's like Pedro. Can't say Pedro. That sounds wrong. It's Pedro, for sure. Alright. Maybe. Oh, yeah. That'd be nice. Let me fix my tripod. Okay, there we go. Little Luca's belly. Now the mic is further, but anyway, let's continue. So last time we stopped around the light math part of physics. So today we are going to start with lesson M5, which is energy math. So let me take some notes here. Lesson M5. So kinetic energy, what is the formula for this? Ke equals half of mass times v squared, which is speed. V is velocity, so that's speed. So kinetic energy equals half of mass times v squared. Very important. This is huge. Spanish. The dog's name we have is also Yuki. No way! That's crazy. Isaiah, oh my gosh, when did you guys get that dog? Yuki, my Yuki is 7 years old. 28 this year. Pops is being sandwiched. He's so smug, bro. Alright. Oh no! Okay, I thought I had closed that. Oh shoot, I locked myself. Anyways, gravitational potential energy. So we have more formulas. Okay, great. So PE equals mass times gravity times h. What is h? Height. Alright. And then conservation of energy. If no energy is lost, then okay. So if no energy is lost, then the potential energy at the top is equal to the kinetic energy in the bottom. Okay, stretch it around. Okay. This is called conservation of energy. She's a mean dog. Oh no. How? I think y'all just gotta train her a little bit. He wants more screen time. Did you have a good day today? Oh my gosh, I did. Thank you for asking that, Killer. It's so sweet. So I went to a restaurant with my siblings, and it was pretty nice. The food was better than I expected, because when you enter the restaurant, you kind of get a whiff of what the food is gonna be like. But actually, the taste was much better than the smell. So that was a huge bonus. Like that was great. And yeah, honestly, I'm craving the rice noodles again, but I gotta wait till my dad's gone because he's probably gonna yell at me for the dishes. Even though he came in earlier, he didn't yell, but he's just kind of, I don't know. I feel like he's gonna yell, but after he leaves for work again, he just comes to uh, take a break a little bit, and then after he leaves, I'm gonna do all the dishes, clean the whole kitchen, and yeah, and then eat the rice noodles again. She's a cute dog. Really? What breed is she? So, guided example, a 2 kilogram object is held 10 meters above the ground. So, if we take the gravity, which is 10 meters per second squared, alright, so that's to keep it easy. What is the potential energy at top? So, PE equals miles times gravity times height. So, for example, I'll just do my work here so y'all can see. I don't know. The tripod's being weird. But for example, we have gravity in this case is 10 meters per second squared. And what is the potential energy at the top? Well, if we look at our earlier formula, we have that potential energy at top is the kinetic energy at the bottom if no energy is lost. So it doesn't seem like there's any energy lost, but since we have per second squared here, that is v squared. But this is 10 meters per second squared. Well, if we have half times, what is the mass? It's 2 kilograms. Half times 2 kilograms times v squared. So if it's 0 seconds, would it be 0? Or 10 meters per second squared? Let's say there's... Oh, okay, so it's held 10 meters above the ground. Okay. So we have 10 meters per second squared. So that means it's 1 second times 1. So the answer would be 1 in what I think. Or, okay, never mind. They said to use this formula. I completely missed that. Okay, so PE equals M, which is, what is the mass again? 2 kilograms times gravity, which is 10 meters per second squared, and the height is 10 meters. So we have 200. Well, what do y'all think? 200? A cute type of Japanese dog. Oh my gosh, no way. Is that a Shiba Inu? If I could keep dogs, I would definitely want a Shiba Inu. They're so cute. Maybe because the internet like memeified it so much, but honestly, I've always loved Shiba Inus. Are you using another cat pen? Yes. I don't know. I've used this quite a lot, so this is what it looks like. It's really cute. I don't even know where it's from though. Bro, my country has a stupid thing that I like. Has what is that thing? Okay, so I think it's 200. Just because they didn't give any other information. But how do you, what unit do you put for potential energy though? What is it? 200 what though? Let me think. You can't multiply like kilograms times mass like that though, right? Or like meters per second. I don't know. But I don't know the units though. Okay, so perfect answer. Okay, I guess I was right then. But my initial answer was 1 because I was using another formula. But if he didn't tell me what formula to use, I probably would have got it wrong. I mean, I definitely would have gotten wrong. Alright, so energy is joule. Okay, so 200 joules. What is a joule? It's force times distance. Okay, next step, same example. If no energy is lost, the object falls to the ground. Question. What is its kinetic energy just before it hits the ground? Same. 200 joules. Hello, oh my gosh, hello, welcome to the stream, Yao. How are you? Every Tuesday and Thursday they have an offer. What offer? What are they offering? Sounds like a you know those marketing type of things they have in fast food chains or something. Perfect, exactly right. All right. So lesson M6, speed from energy, powerful shortcut. Now we use energy to find speed without time. So we set potential energy equals kinetic energy. So using energy, speed from energy, powerful shortcut. Measuring speed without time. Using energy. Buy one pizza, get another. We like buying 2 pizzas, so we got 4. Nice. Oh my gosh, that sounds delicious right now. Hello, welcome to the stream, Ryan Ferchichi. How's your day going? So we plug in the 2 formulas. So potential energy equals kinetic energy, and then mgh equals half mv squared. So notice something amazing. The mass cancels out. So speed from falling. So we have velocity equals the root of 2 times gravity times height. So mass does not matter. That's funny because mass is matter, but it's not. Just like you learned conceptually earlier. Okay. So root 2 gravity times height. What is Luca doing? What? He went closer to Pixie? I thought he hated her. I'm eating barbecue chips. Nice. Okay. We got Pixie and Pops. Pops is actually this guy. We have like an inside joke that her dad is him, even though they're not related. Like he's her adopted dad. But I don't know. We also call him Poopsie. Poops. But it doesn't mean like the actual poop. Like, it's just Poopsie, you know? Oh, yeah, I was gonna wear these eye patches earlier. Let me put them on now. Ear. Oh, yeah. Alright, let's continue. So, oh no, my paper got all the serum on it. Okay, so guided example, same object, same height. Question, what is the speed just before hitting the ground? Mass doesn't matter here. So V equals the square root of 2 times 10 times 10. So square root of 200, what is that? That'll be 25 times 8. So 5 square root of 8. But that's also 2 times 4, which is 2 times 2, which I think it was like 10 root 2, right? Is 5 root 8 same as 10 root 2? It's 931 for you. Yeah, it is. 933 actually. And welcome to the stream, MBT8, Amtrak Productions. How are you? How's your day going? And the chips are delicious. No way. My dad just came in the room and got me this Doritos Cool Ranch chips. But it's so big, I'm not gonna... I don't know if I should open it right now. I'll probably open that when we watch a show or something. So if we plug that in, we have... I'm just doing it mentally. I think it's 10 times root 2. Oh yeah, that does make sense. 10 root 2. Because 10 squared is 100 times 2 is 200. Perfect, that's exactly right. Okay, nice. Okay, that's the unit. Meters per second. I have to practice putting units because, you know, every professor or like every teacher docks points for that, for you missing the units. That's really important. You just found speed without time. All right. So I like spicy or vinegar salt. I like the purple Doritos. Nice. What flavor is that purple Doritos again? I forgot. What is Luca doing? He's going closer and closer to her. Luca. Like, he likes violating other people's boundaries, but he doesn't like his boundaries being crossed. That's crazy. Spicy? Oh. Yeah, I don't know if I could handle spice, but when it's... I don't like spicy food, but if it's spicy chips, I like that. It's so weird. Like, I like Takis and Hot Cheetos. Alright, so... use motion equations. Next, still in order. Standard next math topic is momentum math and collisions. Conservation equations, recoil, explosions, crashes, or optional detour. Let's see. Momentum. Is Pops a guy? Yeah, they're all guys except Pixie. She's the only little girl. But, yeah, she's also a baby. Like, we literally found her in the middle of last year. But we're thinking that she was 4 months old when we found her. And it's been like 6 months now, so she's nearly a year old. Actually, more than 6 months. We found her like in mm, May. Yeah. So 8 months. She's just so like if we estimate it, me and her share the same birthday, which is in 5 days. So you already understand this idea conceptually. Now we add the formula. So momentum is mass times velocity. What is P here? P is momentum. Okay. Alright, so how hard something is to stop. That's like a bad habit. So big mass or big speed is big momentum. So units, mass is kilograms, velocity is meters per second. Well, when it comes to physics, they completely ignore American um, measuring systems, which makes a lot of sense. Like everyone else in the world does something a certain way, and America's just been all quirky. Kilograms C dot P. What is that supposed to be? So you don't need to overthink units here. Conservation of momentum. If no external forces act on a system, P before equals P after. Is it a girl or a guy? Pixie? She's a girl. If not the purple ones, then the spicy nacho Doritos. Oh yeah, we have those downstairs as well. This applies to collisions, explosions, recoil, and guns firing bullets. So if no external forces act on a system. Take these eye patches off now, they're kind of annoying. So collisions, explosions, recoils, and then guns firing bullets. So a 2 kilogram car moves at 3 meters per second. So what is its momentum? It's 6 easy, but what is the unit supposed to be again? Kilograms per meters per second? It's 6, yeah. Easy, but I don't know the units. What's your favorite cereal? Oh my gosh. It's always been Cocoa Pebbles. Like I could eat that forever and never get sick of it. I don't know what it is about that. I don't know if you could find that in most places in the world though. It's like strictly an American thing. I think I know it by my tripod noises. Bro, school in 7, back me mother doesn't want to get up, bro. I'm trying to understand what that means. School in 7. My school starts in 2 weeks though. It doesn't seem like it's that close, but it really is. It's gonna go by so fast. These next 2 weeks. I'm gonna use them super wisely. And Cocoa Puffs. I don't know. Cocoa Puffs has kind of a coffee taste to it. I never liked Cocoa Puffs. But Cocoa Pebbles is where it's at though. Alright. See you later, killer. But we've got the basics down. We've used all these formulas so far. They're pretty easy. But I feel like, let me see. Physics. math problem. It's mostly like English. You know what I mean? Like they're not gonna give you the values and the formulas and tell you to just plug it in. They're gonna ask you to do it on your own and try to derive what the variables are. It's so hard, bro. Okay, honestly, now it doesn't look so bad. It's just like fractions and stuff. But I don't like word problems. That's the thing. I like math, but I don't like word problems. Mine's in 2 days. Like, bro, my alarm is going to be my final boss for school. Oh my gosh, that's so true. Even for my friend, her school starts in January 5. So, man, it's gonna suck going back after relaxing for so long. But not for me though. I feel like I'm ready because I've tried not to fall into that easy um, way of just spending your entire winter break sleeping or just doing bare minimum just to like get through the days because I did that last winter break and it just went by so fast. I don't remember anything. But nowadays, even when I'm so sleepy, I'm like, no, I gotta do this, I gotta do that, and kind of forcing myself to get something done. So I didn't fall off the habit of productivity because it's easy to do that. But at the same time, I have so many other things to do, like the dishes and it's yeah for school. Okay, so lesson M8. So conservation of momentum, collisions. Now use the momentum to solve real situations. Scenario: two cars collide. Car A, M1 equals 2 kilograms. Velocity 1 is 4 meters per second. And this is 2 kilograms at rest. So they stick together after collision. This is called a perfectly inelastic collision. So the momentum before is 8. Momentum after is 4 times VF. This is after. So set them equal. We have 8 equals that. It's easy. It's like 2, but I don't know. The word problems are what I'm struggling with. But if two things collide and they stick together after collision, it's called inelastic collision. So I think that's important. So let's just like how do you do the before thing? So you multiplied 2 times 4 plus 2 times 0 to get 8. Mass times velocity. Okay, so let's write that down. So m1 times m2 v1 plus m2 times v2 equals 8. All right, so and since the break, my sleep schedule is messed up. So, bro, my sleep schedule is also messed up for a little bit. But I was like, no, I'm gonna fix it. But at the same time, like it's harder to sleep early and easier to stay awake in the morning. But like after I'm done streaming, I just go to sleep again. So I guess my sleep schedule is still messed up. Bro, my school starts in 7th January, and my mother does not want to wake up too, so I'm going to school a week later. No way! A week later? How come she has already planned not to go? wake up. Like, is she okay? Is everything okay at home? And starting school a week later is so stressful because the first few days is when they assign the most work. Maybe not the most work, but like to do the syllabus and stuff, they assign those, they pass that around, and you have to like understand everything. And sometimes they like take attendance to see if you're there or not. And then, yeah, yeah. But it's not your fault. You should explain to your teacher then professor or like your principal. It's not your fault. So exactly right. That's an M9 recoils and explosions. A 4 kilogram object at rest explodes into piece A and piece B. 1 kilogram moving right at 8 meters per second. 3 kilograms moving left at speed V. So at rest means total momentum is 0, and then momentum after is m1 times v2, what v1 plus m2 plus v2, and then the final speed, the final object is at rest, so it's 0. So for this, we're gonna have to do some math, like 8 here. The other side is -8. So then, actually no, yeah, it's -8. So 3, it would be 8/3. This is core mechanics math. I'm doing it cleanly. I think it's easy because they're not word problems, which is the hardest part of math for me. Concepts and calculating are my strengths, though. I stayed up all night. Your guys' sleep schedule is not biting mine. Dang, yeah. What time is it for you again, Killer? Where you from? I forgot. It's probably like, oh, we're 11 hours ahead. So, I think. It's 8 a.m.? Semi-word problem, short structure, 1 idea out of 10. Okay, so answer 1. What is the object? The ball. What the quantities are given? 3 kilogram and 5 meters. What topic do you use to do this? Motion, energy, or momentum? So motion? Motion. Very good. Okay, I was kind of skeptical about this. I knew that was kind of a tricky question because it's drought, but it's also calculating energy because of kinetic energy. Now, what is the difference between motion and energy, though? Height is given, no time is mentioned. Oh, so motion takes time. Okay, so if there's no time, then it's energy. It's calculating with times motion. Got it. Welcome back, Kai. Oh my gosh, where did you go? I was like, Kai, no. But it's good that you were gone. So, um, I could have caught up with the crew videos that I forgot to watch, but I still didn't watch it. My teachers hate me, so I'm gonna give them hope, but then put up a week later. Why do they hate you? Are you a bad student, are they just mean like that? I'm guessing they're just mean like that because they hate their job. They don't get salaries. Cause you seem like a good kid. Like you're here watching an educational stream when you don't have to during winter break. So height is given, no time is mentioned. I just guessed. I didn't really look at my formulas. So hmm. I'm so sad. I ordered a phone stand for recording a video. I told you I wanted to record a vlog. I received it 2 days ago, and today I was going to record it, and now I can't find it. No, that is so sad. I'd help you look for it if I could. Um, but yeah. If you go through your entire house and like clean everything, then you might find other lost things as well. Not just the phone stand, but everything. So you could check your entire room, top to bottom. Check all of downstairs, and especially drawers where for me the hardest thing to find are like behind objects in a small confined space because my depth perception is really low. Like I can't really grasp the concept like it's like a 3D space. I just look at things like it's two-dimensional, but you have to imagine like there's stuff behind other things. You have to move out of the way and then look like that. I always miss the things in plain sight. My mom's like, it's right there. You just have to move whatever's in front. Do you have siblings? It's not winter break? Oh, I see. It's still winter break for me. I do have siblings. I have an older sister and an older brother. But my sister's the oldest. So, this is strategy upgrade, not a mistake. So the key decision rule, memorize this: height given, time not given is energy. Time given, motion equations. Collisions, momentum. Wait, before we continue, can you make a chart of all the formulas so I can memorize them? Very smart move, since memorization plus calculations are your strength. So these are the motion ones. These are the gravity ones. This is the projectile motion ones. Have y'all used the Anki app? I've never used it before, but I've heard it's really good for memorization and stuff because it like automatically gives you like um spaced repetition. I need to use it for Arabic. Oh, look at that! They got all the decks. Full physics course. Wow. This seems to be very popular. This is popular too, but I don't need to memorize a periodic table. Mathematical tools. Astrophysics. A-level physics class flashcards. Hmm. It's kind of overwhelming. I don't know. I just pressed this one. Grade 10. Particle physics. Let me ask you which one I should pick. You have one older sister only? Nice. 4 years older, I see. Hello, Mr. Santos. Welcome to the stream. Yes, I do remember you. Look at Pixie. She's so cozy. Luca went behind the bed. Luca, that was sus. Oh, I was not watching him. But he's always acting sus around Pixie. But he's behind the bed in the corner of shame now, so that's good. Oh, I think this is good. I don't know though. Physics 1 equation. Let me download this. Hooke's law. I've never used Enki, so I don't know how to go to the next one. Or how to even use this. What? Show answer? I didn't even learn that though. More? Oh my gosh. This sucks. I don't know why I started using Enki. Like, I just feel like I need to practice all these formulas and memorize them. Okay. I don't wanna move on until I've got this all memorized and practiced the word problems. But Pops is gone. No, I almost forgot. Question: are the pillows under the blanket or is it just me? Yeah, they are under the blanket. Cause I sleep on them, and if the cats go on them, then they're gonna make it all dirty. Cause their paws are clean, they lick it, yeah, but they also walk everywhere, and not everywhere is clean, you know. So don't wanna get that face acne for no reason. when it's avoidable. Even though you should clean your bed sheet like every week minimum. I don't know. I haven't changed my pillowcase in a while. Okay, so question 1. Which formula do you use if you know initial velocity, acceleration, and time, and you want the final velocity? Oh my gosh. I completely don't know. So you have the initial velocity, acceleration, and time. This is about motion, right? So we have initial velocity, time, acceleration. What is exo then? I think it's number 2. Constant acceleration equation number 2. Hi, oh my gosh, hi, welcome to the stream, Erica Brown. How are you? And welcome to my channel. I haven't seen you before. And Luca and Pixie having an enemies to lovers. I don't know their gender. Yeah, they are. Pixie's a girl and Luca's a guy. But yeah, Luca, he hated Pixie, but Pixie was never bothered by him at all. Like, she's so cute. Pixie's a baby? Yeah, Pixie is like less than a year old. So she doesn't look like a baby. I just call her a baby because she's really young, but she's kind of like an adult at this point. She did get spayed, so she's not a kitten, but yeah. You take that back? Yes, Luca's hitting a minor. That's bad. But he does look like Trump, so I can see why he did that. So question 1, I think it's the second. Second constant acceleration equation, aka x equals xo plus velocity o times t plus half of a t squared. Alright, and then question number 2. Which formula do you use if you want the position of an object under constant acceleration after time? Okay, now I'm confused because this is not saying constant acceleration here. But I don't have any formulas for motion to find initial velocity. How's Luca? I'm confused. How old is Luca? Oh, he's kind of a year younger than Yuki. So Yuki's 7, he's 6. Pixie's less than 1 year old. It's not Wednesday though. It's Saturday. Ooh. Who's loose? Oh, there's no loose. Luca is the orange cat. So, I don't know, guys. I kind of want to call it here for today, for physics at least, because we have been studying for kind of less than an hour. But actually, no, I have to finish this question. Let's see. So, which formula do you use? Okay, this is why I want to quit, because I'm kind of scared to say the wrong thing. So, if you want the position of an object under constant acceleration after time t. What? The answer would be the one I put for question 1, though. Okay, this has to be what I put for question 1. Wait. Oh, wait, hold on. He did just list all the formulas. So let's see. Initial velocity, acceleration, and time for final velocity. Position of time, velocity, time, position. Let's see. V equals delta x over delta t. And then for question number 3, we have, which formula do you use if you don't know time but know the velocity and acceleration to find momentum, right? Momentum. Find distance. So what is the formula for momentum again? P equals mass times speed. What is speed again? V. Okay. Let's hope we get this right. Bye, I gotta go. Okay, see you later, Kai. Thank you for staying on the stream. It's pretty boring. I got the correct formula. But that's the average velocity, not final. Okay, so this is the fun. But he didn't list that in the list. Oh man, I got all of it wrong. Alright. V squared. I don't know. I think I'm gonna call it here. Gil's looking at me. I feel in danger. It's so funny. But yeah, I'm gonna call it here, guys. Thank you for tuning in. And yeah, see you later, guys, on the morning stream tomorrow, inshallah.